Hey YouTube, welcome to another video. And today I'm doing a video on this leather pouch that I made. Um, just want to talk about it a little bit and give you the reasoning behind the design and the build. I wanted to carry the Victorinox Swiss Champ. I can easily carry this in my fifth pocket in my pants. But some of my pants don't have a fifth pocket, so I have to carry it in my regular front pocket, which is not possible because I carry a wallet in my left front pocket and a cell phone in the right front pocket. So a lot of the times, if I don't have a fifth pocket, a change pocket in my front pocket area, I'm not able to carry this in my pocket. So sometimes I would have to carry this in my EDC pouch or in my cargo pants pocket. And so I decided to go ahead and make a leather pouch for it for the belt. But at the same time, I use this as a multi-tool. I want to carry a single main blade that I can open one-handed for quick access to do work and everything. Just if I just need a blade and I don't need all the tools and stuff. And of course, everybody knows I attached a peanut lighter and a paracord to the Victorinox Swiss Champ. The reason I made a pouch like this is because I wanted very minimalistic, very slim, very unobtrusive looking pouch. And I'm going to go ahead towards the end of the video, model this for you by wearing it and show you how it looks on my belt. It's very small. It's not that big. For size comparison, I can show you what, everybody knows what the Victorinox Swiss Champ size is. So it's not too bad, the pouch itself. As you can see, the bottom of the pouch is all one piece cut to pattern. And you'll see photos of the pattern before I sewed it up. It was wet formed, semi-wet formed around the Victorinox Swiss Champ, so it'd be a snug fit. And there's really no threat of it just falling out just to fall out. Okay, you have to pull it out. Snug fit. And I don't intend to go around doing cartwheels and stuff. So also there is a small micro pocket here on this side that I can fit slide in a keychain flashlight in here, a small ferro rod in here, in this section right here. It goes about this deep. So if I figure out what I'm gonna put in there, I'll let you guys know. Of course, saddle stitched. On this end here is a loop that you can pretty much, you know, anything with a belt clip you could stick in here, like your main blade, pocket knife, or even a flashlight with a pocket clip you can put in here. I didn't make a section for flashlight because I carry a keychain flashlight on my keychain. And it's the Rovivon, and it's very bright. So I really didn't feel the need to have two flashlights. But as a EDC, I do feel like I need two sources of blades. One which is like a multi-tool, and another which is just the main blade. And I'm gonna tell you guys, this this is it right here. Unless I can come across some kind of knife that has a better blade than this. This is razor sharp blade. I mean, I am really totally happy with this. And I'm not looking for anything that's gonna be like super quick to flip open and stuff like that anyway. So I love this knife. I do. So this is gonna be my EDC carry knife for a very long time. Normally it would have been the CVV Elementum, but I'm not ever carrying that anymore as long as I have this knife. I mean, this knife here, this blade is just, it's amazing. All right, so going to the back of the pouch, the way I made it was I made the belt loop snappable. And the reason I did this because I didn't want to have to take off my belt to put it on or take it off. Okay. If these were just traditional belt loops sewed on top and bottom, you'd have to always take the belt off to take your take the pouch off or put it on. And you know, when you're out and about, sometimes you have to go in a place that does not allow any weapons of any sort, even knives. So you know, a lot of the times, just to appease them or just to not you know, get any hassles, you have to take your knife out and put it away and go into the facility or go into the establishment that doesn't allow weapons. So if I just take the knives out and put it in the car and go walking into a building, I still have this little holster on here, and it'll attract attention. And people may walk up, security guards or whoever may walk up and say, "Do you have a gun or do you have knives or something on your belt?" And then you have to show them, "No, it's empty, it's empty." And so to avoid all that hassle, before I go into somewhere that doesn't allow knives and guns and stuff, all I have to do is just unsnap and take it off the belt without having to undo my belt and stuff like that. All right, so that's why I did the belt loop button snaps. But everything is saddle stitched. I think it turned out great. This was what I was looking for. Small form factor, not too big. I know I could have made a real classical pouch with a lid and everything, or more little sections for different stuff, but I think this will do. But stand by for me modeling it for you, okay? All right, so here it is. It's on my belt, and this is what it looks like. Doesn't look too awkward. It just looks like a dude with a belt pouch on with a couple of knives, utility tool, whatever, you know. Got the lanyard here on the Victorinox was champ to pull the thing out from the holster. Oh, backwards. There we go. Yep. Now, as you can see, I have it on my right side. I could easily put this pouch here on the left side to accommodate firearms on this side of the body. So, this is ambidextrous as far as in, you know, left side carry, right side carry, doesn't matter really, you know. If you carry it on the left side, the Victorinox Swiss Champ will be on the front end, you know. And to just demonstrate that I don't need to take off the belt to take off the pouch, you know. Normally I would most people would use pocket clips to integrate into the leather. I don't like doing that because it just, the pocket clips can always rip out or fall out. Whereas to the belt loop, they're sewn in, so they're more, I believe, more secure. And then I put it on the oh, got it on a belt loop there. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, you wear it on the left side or the right side. You put it between a belt loop, these two snaps, and it's contours to your hip pretty good. All right, so that's it. That is the leather pouch EDC belt carry system pouch, whatever however you want to call it. I've been searching high and low on Amazon to buy a nice EDC pocket organizer, belt pouch, whatever, and they're just either way too big and too long. And as you can see, this is not that much wider than the belt itself, so it's doesn't come all the way down here where you're sitting down and it kind of pokes into the side of your body. It's very comfortable. It's very unassuming, unintrusive. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching. Comment down below. Thanks.